Some of you guys are doing ASCII art pictures that have special characters built into them. So like, for example, if I had a backslash, or like I wanted to actually print a quote, right? And then I run this, I'm going to get an error because backslashes and quotes are special characters. And actually backslash, we're going to not use that for a second, but that's a special character. Parentheses are also special characters. Okay, so if I put any of those in my ASCII art, it's actually going to screw everything up for me. So what I want to do is, Python has a built-in escape character that's going to allow you to tell Python, hey, take this quote or this apostrophe or this parenthesis and just process it as a normal text character and just print it out as if nothing else is wrong, right? And the way we do that is we just use a backslash. So if I backslash all of these, see how everything turned green again? We're all good now and there should be no errors. The other thing that you're going to run into is some of your art is going to have a backslash in it. What do? You got to backslash the backslash, which is weird. It's going to kind of blow your mind a little bit, but it works. If I hit F6 here, you can see the first backslash doesn't get printed, right? Because that's just the escape character. Does that make sense, guys? All right, let me know if you have questions.